Good morning everyone. Today we are going to do the 2013 October and November paper. Okay, let's start. I'm not doing the word part, I'm going for the excess. Okay, now here it is. You are going to prepare some reports for the company. Make sure all the currency values are in euros of 2 decimal places. So we have to make everything as euro and basically the currencies, and it has to be of 2 decimal places. Now same thing, they're asking us to import the file. I have already imported the file over here. Okay, and you know how to import. If you don't know, you can see my earlier videos. Now the only thing that you have to remember is that the currency, this one, the format has to be euro over here. Okay, and it should be of 2 decimal places. Okay, rest everything is the same. Now these data types we have already changed when we are importing the file in the advanced option. If you have seen the earlier videos, you will come to know. Okay, save this file, close it, and now see what they are asking us to do. Take a screenshot like usually they ask and paste it there in your workplace. Now add these 3 records as usual at the bottom of the table, and then we'll go proceed towards the, this is the one simple report that they have asked. I'm not doing this one, I'm going for the another one. Now here this is the general kind of a report that they every time ask, the conditional report, where they put certain conditions and then they will ask you to create a report. Now here they are asking us that this report should contain a new field called as reorder cost, which should be calculated runtime, and this is the multiplication of price by reorder list. Now let's see that. Okay, now we'll go to the queries. Okay, sorry. Now this is what they have asked. These are our table. We have added that, and sorry, not this one. We'll create a new one. Query in design, and we'll add this table, and then we'll close. We want all our fields to be there, so let's select all of them. Now this should contain the new field called as reorder cost. Make a new one, colon price multiplied by reorder. Okay, now you can check it. This is coming. Okay, now this is, you can see our reorder cost is coming over here properly. I'll go back to the query and let's see what they are asking. Has the reorder cost field formatted as to currency. Now this one has to be, now go to format over here in the properties. It has to have euro, the currency is there, and 2 decimal places. Okay, sorry, euro is there. Yeah. Okay, now this we have done. We have formatted this. Let's see what else they're asking. It has to have page orientation to portrait. Okay, shows only the records with the stock item is yes. Now this is the stock item, and this should be yes, and the stock level is 3 or less, so you can have 3 or less than 3. You can see all less than 3 are coming over here. Less than equals to 3. That's fine. is 3 or less, that means equals to, less than equals to 3. Okay, show only the fare, and the price is less than 100 euros. Price, sorry, this price is less than 100. You can see price is coming less than 100. Okay, now this also has to be euros. Okay, remember that, all with 2 decimal places. Okay, now shows only code description price. So code description price, reorder is not there. Okay, stock item, stock label, and reorder list. Okay, this sorted into ascending order of description. We can have sent over here as well as in the report. Okay, calculates the total. This we will do over there. So this query is complete, and we are going to run this. We'll check, and then we will save this query. Save now. What they are asking, items to be placed order. Okay, I've already made one, so I'm creating it as. Now we'll close it. We'll go to create, and then we'll go to report wizard. Well, yeah. This is a query. We'll make a report on that. Okay, next we have already done, but still, if you want, you can do it over here also. Now it has to be portrait. So yeah, this is portrait. So this is portrait, and we'll report title is this only. Okay, modify the report and finished. Now let's see how it is looking. We'll delete this part. Okay, and we'll adjust the scores because description is taking quite a space, so you just have to see how you have to place them. Okay, or it's better you go to the layout view, and there you can this is easier, and we can check how it is looking. This is absolutely fine. Okay, now in the design view, in the report footer, we have to calculate the total of calculate the total of reorder cost. Now this is one way of doing it, just go over here, go to the tools and say sum. Okay, it will automatically sum this column of yours, and then we can add the label over here which will say cost of order. Okay, otherwise we can go to our normal way of doing it. Insert a text box. It should not be reorder cost, actually reorder cost here. Okay, Now it's fine. Now this again has to be in the currency. Format is euro with 2 decimals. Okay, so this is how it is, like you have to make sure that it is euro with the 2 decimal places, and this is what it is. So this is how your report is going to look like. I have not added those 3 records, so might be the records, number of records may vary. So once you add those records, then you have to add those records, then only it will look proper. Hope you will understand. Thank you.